welcome to my channel. So I did have these lights here so I could do like this with my hand because I thought it looked quite cool, but I'm not going to sit here with my hands like this the whole time. Sorry. In celebration of the new Dark Phoenix film being released, I have done a makeup look inspired by Jean Grey, the Dark Phoenix herself. If you would like to see how I created this Dark Phoenix inspired makeup look, then please keep watching. Finished look and I'm living for it. I don't know if I'm living for the background as much, but we're here now and it took me so long just to get that. So let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to hit the like button, and if you would like to see more makeup looks inspired by upcoming films, then make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that's what I love to do over here. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!